Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have a project share for you today. If you missed us, we were on Luisa's channel on Wednesday for some spring into crafts, and I was putting my Memdex card together, and this was created by Luisa, my Crafty Boutique Co. If you guys go over there to her channel, just click on her description box and she has a link to her Ko-fi shop. This SVG file is called the Birdhouse Memdex, and it comes with the little birds. It comes with the little circle for the bird, and then, you know, the whole birdhouse theme. Everything here, the stickers are from Dollar Tree, and I just colored this Hello Friend. It was just plain wood. I colored it with some of my markers. Well, actually just one of my markers. But what I did with her file, I cut it a little thicker, and I also created a shaker for my birdhouse. And then put the little birdies together. I made two. It comes with one bird, but you could do, you know, manipulate the bird and flip it so they could face opposite sides of each other. I also use a sticker from Hobby Lobby. It's one of these wreath stickers, stickabilities. They're so big, but you know, it is what it is. This is what I created as far as my Memdex. It is super heavy and sturdy, you guys. This thing is so cute, perfect for spring swaps and stuff, or any season. It doesn't have to be just spring. Also, I worked on the little perfume embellishment book. The book is complete. I just had to add some embellishing or decorating to my shaker bits. This is the little tote from the April release. It is the fashion bags. These are the shopping bag shakers, the big size. I got the big and the small. And I used Dollar Tree stickers again. This is Dollar Tree here, the butterflies. And I also used a sentiment from KSCRAFT, some junk journal sentiments. And I added the sticker onto some glitter cardstock right there. This is again the florals from the Hobby Lobby sticker collection. So I used one of these. Where is it? There we go. On each bag. And then I just repeated what I did for each bag. And then this one are the high heel shoe bag topper. I cut off the bag topper part, the back part, and I used it as an embellishment. So I added on another Dollar Tree set of butterfly stickers. It looks like that. And one of the words again from the KSCRAFT. So that's what it looks like. This is the same thing, Dollar Tree. I just repeated it. And I also used another set of the floral stickers from Hobby Lobby. That's one of these flowers right here. And I thought those matched better with the purple embellishments. It's so pretty. And I added the same thing, the sentiment and the glitter cardstock for the embellishing pieces. And then I was working on another KSCRAFT set. It is the cute nail polish bottle shakers. Again, this is the April release. And let's see. This is the one I finished on the live, but you can see I put some glue on there. I was trying to make it look like liquid, but that was a fail. I didn't get to finish completing the rest of them. I'll make those into shakers. I probably won't use this one. And then I would add it into this lovely perfume embellishment box. This is also a SVG file from Luisa. So go check out her Ko-fi shop, guys. And thank you all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, welcome. Hit the subscribe button and join our crafty family. And while you're there, hit the notification bell. That will let you know when I load a new video like this or when I go live here on my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.